Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we're making a little classic cocktail. This bad boy's made with rye. It's made with fresh squeezed orange juice, lemon juice, a little bit of grenadine. That thing's shaken up. It's poured and served up and garnished with a few cherries. This cocktail is called the Ward 8. Now, the Ward 8 cocktail comes straight to you out of Boston around the 20th century, I think around 1898 or something like that. Comes out of Boston's 8th Ward, and they were making it to celebrate a mayor or something. I forget the guy's name, but whatever. That's why they made this cocktail. Nice little classic. The Ward 8's what we're making here today. And the great thing about this cocktail is there really is not a whole lot of prep to do. All we gotta do is cut and juice some citrus, lemons, and oranges. So let's just go ahead and jump right into juicing our citrus. All right, we have got our cutting board, a couple containers to juice into. Let's start by cutting up our lemons. Cutting them in half, juice them up. And let's double strain. Once. Twice. Lemon juice done, good for 2 days. Throw it out on the 3rd day. Next, let's cut and juice up our oranges. We only need a ½ ounce, so I may only need to do one of these oranges, right? Beautiful little oranges. So I just gotta hand squeeze these because obviously these won't fit in my juicer. Juice them up. Oh yeah, one was plenty. Double strain. Once. Twice. All right, orange juice done. Good for 3 days. Throw it out on the 4th day. And guys, that is it for the prep work on our Ward 8. Super simple, right? So let's just go ahead and jump into making this classic cocktail. This is a shaking cocktail, so first thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin, and we're gonna need our jigger. We're also gonna need our glassware. So working cheapest, most expensive ingredients, we're gonna start with our ½ ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice, a ½ ounce of lemon juice, a ¼ ounce of grenadine, and 2 ounces of that Sazerac rye. Fill that shaker tin all the way to the top, seal her up, shake it for 12 seconds as always. Grab both your Hawthorne and your basket strainer and let's double strain this cocktail. Now for garnish, let's make a little cherry skewer. I'm going with 3 cherries because I'm high maintenance. Boom. There it is. The Ward 8. All right, let's taste. Smells wonderful. Oh yeah, very nice and citrusy. You nice acid on it. Touch of sweetness from that orange juice and from that grenadine. Now, if you prefer a little bit sweeter cocktail, you probably could go with another ¼ ounce of grenadine. I like it a little brighter, so I go with the ¼ ounce, but you could go ½ ounce of the grenadine if you want it a little bit sweeter. The rye comes through, it holds up beautifully to all the citrus. The pairing of the orange and the cherry and the brightness of the lemon. Just a beautiful, bright, citrusy whiskey cocktail here, baby. And I went with that Sazerac rye. It's honestly one of my favorites out there, especially for making cocktails. That and Rittenhouse, both great. Sazerac rye, I believe made out of New Orleans, baby. Go check out Sazerac Museum. A lot of fun. It's a free tour. You get to drink a lot. I don't know, I had fun on it. Really a nice cocktail, guys. The Ward 8, something kind of bright, something kind of citrusy, along with the whiskey for the winter time. Let's pop one of those little cherries. Yeah, beautiful. Love it. Bright, crisp. How can you hate it? The Ward 8, baby. There it is. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down, save for a later date. Either way, let me know how you like it and everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. I'm a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing, and hit that bell if you want notifications because we got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.